face reality. And for all the people saying, oh, well, why is Israel turning off the lights and why is Israel shutting off cell service? Well, how about this? If you want to negotiate that, how about you release all the hostages immediately? We can start there. You know, there's a video that some members of the press and the Biden administration got access to, footage of things. A lot of these terrorists, for whatever reason, they wanted to chronicle for, I guess, history, all their terror attacks. And on it, and the people that I know that have written about it, that have seen it, you know, it is the worst human atrocities you'd ever want to see. You know, going into people's homes and killing innocent men, women, and children. You know, dropping grenades, shooting their dogs, beheadings of babies. All of this that we've heard is all true. You go into somebody's home, you know, just minutes before they were living a peaceful life, and the next thing you know, they're all dead.